guess what, guys? I got a drone. Yeah, that's right. Everybody loves a good drone shot, but yeah, since you guys haven't seen this one yet, we're going to show you this really shortly, and I've got some pretty awesome drone shots in that video. But yeah, I got this DJI MAVIC Air after trying my mate Jamin's. Yeah, he showed me the Spark and I really loved it, and I thought I'd make some great shots for you guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys will love the new content that I can get with this awesome drone. Hopefully I don't crash it. And I'm just going to show you guys some of the clips that I've already got in the last month or two of owning this nice drone. Alright, see you guys on the next one.